So on a whim I decided why not do Brackeys Game Jam 2025.2. So here's how it went. I started off with where all great things start, a box and a bean. It might not seem much yet, but it's gonna be basically the whole game. So I took some code from my previous project, definitely didn't steal anything, and I just added it back to this one. I also added picking up, which worked perfectly fine the first. Stop doing that. Yes, stop it. Stop. Just stop. Stop, please. Stop. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, you know, I wanna stop it. Why? Yep, just like that. No. Yeah, okay. That's a problem I'm never gonna fix, like, ever. And then, as every single intelligent person ever, instead of, creating assets beforehand or just taking them off the internet, I decided to spend like 2 days making my own assets for this singular project. I know I'm so smart, guys, just praise me in the comments. So I just created a couple simple models: TV, jewelry box, different jewelry, chair, table, normal stuff like that, like cabinet as you can see right now. And yeah, and also all these colors that you're seeing, they're pointless. I wasted my time on that because for some reason I just couldn't get it to export correctly, so that was also nice. Here I did drew a couple drawings, some like inconspicuous drawings, like I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean they're from anime? I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. So yeah, I added these completely original paintings. So like, there's some variety and some extra color to make it pop. So like, I thought I'm gonna go back to make some levels, but then like, you can pick yourself up, which like flying hacks. Yeah, I had to quickly go and fix that. You can no longer pick yourself up. Sorry, buddy. That's a bug I had to fix. And now I also did a bit of bug fixes on those things I said I wouldn't fix. I don't think much actually changed, but like, now I gotta build a house. So I start off with the walls, place the things, and I realized I was missing some bathroom stuff. Yeah, no, that's not a toilet. Okay, that's a toilet. A mirror, a sink, the base of a sink, a tap. All the basic stuff inside a toilet because I forgot to make those. And we have our first house. Just gotta lay out around some stuff that you can steal. And the first place is finished. For the next few, the village got like vanished for some reason, so here's just a picture of the next house, and yeah, it looks very cool. Another one, this one's quite small relative to the others, and the final one, which is very small relative to the other ones. Now I decided to make a title screen. Money isn't funny. Yeah, loot the luxury sounds a bit better, got that better, like, ting to it. Yep, here's the completed main menu. And I decided to draw a tutorial so that it's obvious what you need to do. I had to program that in, it's tough work, it's tough life out here, programming. And here's my game on h.io. You can go check it out if you want, just don't mind the slippery floors. I need to fix that someday. Here you can see the download page, and here are my scores for how I did in the game jam. Thanks for watching.